We are back. Oh, the we are back.
𝗙cie𝗹𝗹, let's go.
Yeah. I mean, they got this shit going on too, so you know, why
They
not?
said that they're gonna increase
The
the price of
prices,
clips.
yeah, the price is gonna be increased. Like, I think it's tomorrow. From tomorrow, yeah.
Yeah, probably like $6, $7 or something. I don't know.
Yeah, it's not a big increase though. For the most part, yeah. I think it's with the discount, the 30% off is from 91 to 98, so 7. Yeah.
I wanted to
Anyways,
go up market today.
yeah, let's see what we got going on here on YM. Oh wow, what's this? What did YM do for that time? Um, oh shit. Mm, 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 mm. All right. Hope the stream goes well today. Mm, 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 mm. Kieran, thanks for the like, man. Really do appreciate it. I really think I need to start back drinking flicking coffee. I think I'll start back drinking coffee this week.
You don't drink coffee?
Yeah, bruh. Sometimes, like, I just decide to give it a break, you know.
Oh,
And
okay.
yeah, I don't really get back on it just like that. But I think I need to get fall back in into drinking coffee. I haven't drank it in like maybe about 3 weeks, 4 weeks. It's weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to lock the fuck in.
I don't like dark coffee.
Yeah, black coffee, man. Black
I don't like
coffee
it.
with 2 sugars. I love coffee. I just don't want to like, drink too much of it, you know?
I worked in a coffee shop for 4 years. I never tasted coffee.
Bruh. Ah, shit, man. You're missing out on good shit, man. Good stuff
That's what the other guy was saying the other day.
there. Yeah, you're
Where I work.
missing out on
I'm
good
like, dude,
stuff.
I'm like, drink it for me. It's okay.
Yeah. Shit. Okay, one more thing here. Okay, let's do some analysis here. We're gonna start with YM. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, we're gonna start with YM here. So, one sec. Mm, mm. All right. So the markets has been very, very, very crazy lately. Um, really have to be careful here. Why this shit keep happening? What's this? Wait, what was that? Oh, this is lag. This is bugged or some shit. Anyways, um, I'm just gonna go straight to the 5 minute, and this is what I'm seeing here, right? So we have somewhat of a trend here. So we're going to use these highs here. Keep it simple today. And we're going to use these lows here. Now, if price decide to break these lows a bit sooner, if price decides to break this a bit sooner, we can also use these lows over here. Right? We don't wanna really take the sells too early, you know, because your trade breakout, yeah, Daishan is it? Yeah, yeah, trade breakout. A trade, we basically trade support and resistance. Um, that's the fundamental, right? The fundamental is support and resistance. So with that, we trade we trade the breakout and also trade the fake out sometimes. Bro, I never knew you trade. I always see you in what? Okay. uh, I just found it. I'm using funded pips. Oh, that's nice, man. That's nice. That's nice. Yeah, I've traded funded pips once, and I don't like it. Don't like the spreads and shit. I don't like funded pips, but they're reliable. They are reliable, but I don't really trade. Yeah, trading futures. So yeah, trading futures. So yeah, these are the zones we have here for YM. Might use a 25 point stop today, only because the market doesn't seem too volatile. And also we have news here soon. Right? These are our zones here. So buys above 8 812 and sells below 720. This is a 86 point range here. Mm, mm, mm. Yo, Daishan, where do you see me, bro? Where do you see me? I'm curious. You always see me, and you didn't know I trade. I mean, a lot of people don't know I trade, but that's all I do though. Like I've been at this shit for like 6 years. Yeah,
6 years.
6 years, man. Actually, it's this month. Um, not this next month, April. April was when I started for open for some account every shit. Okay,
I
let's take
forgot when I started trading.
bruh. I
Like I
started.
know the year, but I just don't know the month.
Oh yeah, bruh. I had the broker from this broker, FBS broker, 1 in 3,000 leverage account. Fucking crazy.
3,000. Oh my god.
Yeah,
Yo.
that shit was fun, man. I was trading
Did
what
you start it with a volatility 99 guy?
no, actually I started with Jeremy Cash. I
Oh
started with
wow.
Jeremy, yeah, I started with Jeremy, man. One candlestick, just go on the one
Oh
hour
yeah.
and buy and sell, buy and sell. That shit was crazy. That shit was crazy,
The
man.
RSI guy.
RSI, man, that fucking guy. But he's good though. Like he's good. He's good. He's good. I don't know
He's
if
still
he,
making money?
but I don't know if he actually like it's weird. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. But Jeremy's a good guy, man. Jeremy's a good guy.
Alright, back to work.
Yeah. So we have potential buys here above um 524 here for NQ. And I will say this, right? For NQ here, NQ is so freaking bullish. So for the most part, once we close above Once it close above 507, we're looking for buys, right? Once we close above 507, we're, yeah, it's go time here, right? So we have a wick to fill on the left here. This is a 55-point wick, so basically 1 to 2. But yeah, I mean we could get, the shit happens. It gives us a nice range, and yet for all, you know, we still um we still get some fucked up price action, you know. But for the most part, yeah, that's what we're looking at. For sales, however, we could take sales right there. This is a very nice sell zone. Very nice sell zone. But we want to be patient with these sales, right? So 25 point stop. So yeah, this range is not really big. It's about a 40 point range. All right, this is what we're looking at here. So sales at 481. Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for the likes again, man. Appreciate it very much. Really do appreciate it.
Yo,
Yo, yo,
Nope.
yo, Luke. Man, I hope you locked that fucking account.
um, yeah, I'll pass the eval.
Oh, shit, this guy is fucking. Congratulations,
On
man.
what? On
What's
what?
that? Top step.
Nice.
Nah, congratulations, congratulations. Please do not trade. You're gonna trade the funded now?
It's a bit late for that.
What do you mean?
He already did.
No, yeah, I
You?
already traded it and locked it.
Oh, okay, good. Okay,
Yeah, I traded London session this morning. I made 600, then locked it.
okay, good. Fuck. Okay. Awesome. How's the pizza shop? Yeah, pizza shop is great, man. Pizza shop is great. Uh, SRP. So yes,
Buffalo,
your song.
buffalo chicken.
Yeah.
It's
Nah,
fire.
man. Nah, 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 nah. They be asking for that though. They
How long
be
have you been running that shop for?
about 5 years, I think.
Nice.
Is it 5 years? Probably 6 years. Six
When you
years.
first start trading.
Yeah, I think it was like, yeah, it's shortly after I started trading. Like sometime in June, July, somewhere there. Can't remember if it's 5 years ago, or if it's 6 years ago. But I have records of it. I think it was 6 years ago, to be honest. I think it was six. Well, let me check this shit. Look at this shit here. Pizza, 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 pizza. Let's see how far we could go back here. Pizza, pizza. Oh, actually, it's not even on this one. Is it? Oh, 2021 actually. 2021. So yeah, so 5 years, 5 years. So 5 years. Yeah, 5 years. 5 years in a couple months. It would be 5 years.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, we got 5 minutes left here. I'm gonna open a chart with gold over here though. Let's take a look at gold here. Yeah, gold is not looking too bad. We're gonna need yeah. Okay, gold closes bullish, then it could continue. Yeah. Gold close with a top with a bullish candle here on the 15. We could continue up. We have a good range here to continue up. We have 90. And the break of the high is 90 points, continuing towards the next resistance at 161.
Yo, I'll be back.
Yeah, cool.
What do you think about YM?
Um, yeah. Why am like I mean, oh shit, I didn't even realize he broke the high already. Hold on, wait, let me just put this
It's in a
over
bit of a
here.
weird spot now, isn't it? Now it's broken that.
Not really. I mean, we need a wick down. We'll just need a wick down here to continue bullish. That's all. We're just gonna need a wick down to continue bullish.
Yeah.
That's
NQ looks better
that's
though, to be fair.
yeah, and Q looks a lot better here. Yeah, definitely, definitely, NQ looks better here.
I wouldn't be surprised if off market open it sells off, and then when Fed speaks later, when
Hmm.
Powell speaks, it shoots up to fill that wick.
Well, we could have that. We could have that. Oh yeah, we got this news top of the hour, right?
Uh, no, half past, I think.
Half past. Okay, so 1 hour time. Okay.
Yeah, half past.
Okay. Okay, and Q is dipping down here. This might be good. Might be a good sign here. Might be a good sign here. Mm, mm, mm.
Yeah, I'm just here to watch along today. No trading.
Yeah, awesome, man. Awesome, awesome. Awesome, man. Okay, you see that wick that NQ just did? That's a good sign. I think
Yeah.
both pairs going to move here today. I think
I
they're
think
gonna
so.
be good. Yeah, I think they're gonna be good. Either one is gonna be good. Either one is gonna be good. I think either one is gonna be good today.
Are you going to split the difference and enter on both?
No, I'm gonna enter on only one. All right, 20 seconds here, guys. Lock the fuck in. Should be telling myself that too, huh? Actually, yeah, cancel that shit. Okay.
Here we go.
Ooh, that's a beautiful bottom wick. That's a beautiful bottom wick there. That's a beautiful bottom wick there, guys. I'm not in on NQ. Wow, NQ looks a lot better here. I'm not gonna lie. Um, we close above the zone there on NQ. We also close above the zone on YM. Buy stop. Let's put it in one time. On the flip of this here, we're in. On yeah, flip of that, we're in.
Yeah, one looks good here.
Yeah. Flip of that there, we're in on YM. NQ is like want to sell here, but yeah, not really interested in those sales there, to be honest. Not when the market is so fucking bullish.
Maybe on an NQ and flip on
Yeah,
YM.
yeah,
Don't enter.
flip on both of them is good trades there, man. Good trades there. There we go. There we go. Yeah, should be in here. Really good, by the way. Really good.
NQ looks strong here, to be fair.
Hmm. Oh, why my stops like what the hell? Supposed to be 500 stops. Yeah, NQ look good here actually. You're right. NQ look good here. NQ looks good here. I'm entering on NQ. I got stop both on YM here, which is fucking crazy.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I got stopped out on, on YM there. That's I'm in on NQ though. I'm in on NQ.
Yeah, he looks good.
Yeah, I'm in on NQ.
Them lucid charts are crazy to be fair compared to top step.
What you mean? Like how it moves?
Like the ticks, yeah.
Yeah, like you see every like yeah. I understand what you
Rapid.
mean. I understand what you mean. Top step have a slight delay. You don't see every tick. Yeah, yep, yep. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Mm,
Yeah, it's
mm,
gonna be a shitty market, dude.
yeah, I mean it looks good. We have nice range and shit, but yeah, like I said, sometimes we get this nice stuff, but
A lot
market,
of fake outs.
yeah, market just not ready to play, man. Yep.
It's probably just waiting for news later, isn't it?
Well, I mean, still though, still like still news is one, but yeah, that's it. That's it for me here. Oh, YM, huh?
Too far now. 5 minutes to close this week.
Yeah, yeah,
Wow, YM. Why
yep.
you wanna push?
And why is it why is YM so that's weird. 1 minute left. Okay, and Q is giving that yeah. I think
You
N
break the previous low, someone again.
I mean yeah. I think
It's
that's
on the
it.
next candle.
I think that's the play here for NQ. This might be the play here.
I'm not entering right now because the candle about to close.
Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. That's it. Yeah. I mean that flip there, breaking those lows. Yeah. NQ. I think it could go wrong here. I don't think you could go wrong here on NQ. Ooh, ooh yeah. I mean on NQ here.
Yeah,
Mm-mm-mm.
me
Calling that
too.
points.
Yeah. Why I'm back in the range. Yeah. Yeah. I think this is it here, guys. Um, final
This is
trade
a
here.
thin area on the
It's
15.
it's 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 fucked up, but I might be at like a break even here today. But it's all good. Break even is good. Break even is good. What's this here? Okay. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, why is YM being so ugly today? Stops to break even at 1 hour here. I'll just let it run. We already broke that previous low to the left there a little bit, so should continue. Should continue here. There we go. Stops the break even, and let's leave it to do its thing. Oh, this wasn't really accurate though, but yeah, yeah. We should come down into this entire trend line here area. We're gonna trail it once we reach 1 to 2 here. We're gonna trail it, maybe just lock it in, get the day. Yeah,
That looks good. Surely that flushes all the way down to that TP now.
yeah, should,
It looks good.
we should.
Look on the 15 though. Surely if it breaks that low where your TP is, it's going to just keep flushing.
15. Which low?
Where your TP is.
Oh, yeah. But I don't think he's gonna like, yeah. He could break it, but yeah. Yeah, it's an insane pool back there. Mm. Here's what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna take this. Seeing that there is news later on, I have another account here running with some stuff here. So this is gonna be so this one here, I'm actually gonna just cut it here. Yep, the rest is running here. I'm up 2 hour here on this one. I'm gonna trail this. So we're looking at 430 here for stops. Stops move to 430 here for me. 430. Yep. I'm about to get stopped out, it seems. Yeah, stops move to 1 hour. 430. Yeah, basically right here. I move my stops right here. Um, yeah. Yep. Just got taken out at 1 hour. Just got taken out there. Yeah, today is a day you don't want to really. I just remember, man. We have fucking news coming up soon. So yeah.
You trading news today?
No. Nope. No news. Pineapples, let's go. Yeah, thank you. Mm, mm. Yep. That's it. 2 hour. Bro, you're still in?
Yeah.
Mm. Yo, you're doing evals. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not.
I'm 150K.
Oh, 150K. Okay, nice. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I
made
have a
I made some profit there last night, and I just locked that freaking account here. Like up 1400 on this account here. This account
nice.
here is break even. Yep. Yeah, tough day today, man. That's the move though. That's basically end of the move here. Come back
Yeah.
into these lows here. Yep. You're gonna get some heavy rejection down here. Well, I should say should get some heavy rejection down here. But this is good. Good move. Great move. Awesome, guys. I think here we made back I think we made back what we lost here for the most part. I think I'm still down one or on one account. Yeah. Yeah. And you did good. That wake up and then come back into the range. Yeah. That was definitely the play there. Still dropping too.
Hmm.
Still dropping. Yeah, we ain't have nothing else after that drop too though. Like no, the clean range. That was the clean range there. It's gone.
It could just keep going as well.
I mean, it could, but then like trading it now don't really make sense. YM on the other hand, you could possibly still continue with YM. YM have that area to come into as well. So on the close of this candle here, you could probably get that's a 15 closure as well. So you get a wick up and then break up the low, previous low. Yeah, could be good enough to continue down. Mm, 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 mm. Yep, which market is that? That's YM. This is YM currently. YM. Okay, this week back into the range here is actually not a bad move.
Moved a bit weird today. I've not seen it move like that for a while.
Yeah, YM have its moments. YM have its moments, man. Yeah, guys, once again, thank you for stopping by. Thanks for the likes. Really do appreciate it. Let's see something here. Yeah, NQ is rejecting here. Okay, so this 15-minute closure, this is not a bad 15 closure here for YM. So we could remove this now. Understanding that, okay, we're looking at YM to come into this range here, right? So you're looking at YM to come into this range here, right? For the most part. um, if we look at the 15 here, we also have a zone here, right? So this flip here could be a trade to continue down. See what I'm saying? Because we close
Hmm.
beneath the range.
Hmm.
Yep. The only difference is that your stops may be like I don't think 25-point stop gonna work here, but because of it's different, right? The setup is different here in this case. So for the most part, you would be looking at well, shit, stops, right? Stop should be above the candle here in this case. What you can also do if you haven't entered yet is wait for a break of the wick to the left there and enter a trade. There we go. There we go. Yep, you can move stops to break even now if you like. So stops would have been up here. So this is the idea of how we normally trade. Who was asking that? Someone asked this earlier on. Was it Daishan? Yeah, Daishan. I know if you're still in here, but that's the concept of how we trade here. That's basic. That's like actually how we really trade here. Like everything is based on that right there. So, yep, yep.
Either of you still in NQ?
But nah, I'm not in NQ. I mean, why I'm here on this next account. About to close here. Securing a break even day here. That's what I'm trying to secure. I mean, it could have stops a break even already, but yeah, I think I may just trade it here to this, so I won't be down too much for the day. Yeah, trade it at 500. Oh, there we go. This is, yeah, that extra push there. There we go. We traded it. 7. Yeah, NQ is melting. YM should continue to melt here too. Okay, I'm chilling at 1,000 here. Let's see how much you're gonna give me. 1,200, 1,500. I'm trilling. 1,500. I may be out here. Boop. Look at it here, by the way. Okay, yeah, just take me out. Yeah, they take me out at 1,500. Yeah, I was down at 1,000 on this account. So yeah, good shit. So this is the strategy. Like, sometimes you won't get like the one, the twos and stuff like that based on what you risk, based on like your stop loss here in this case. You won't always get that like one to twos and type of stuff, but you could get the range, right? So in this case here, notice when we broke this wick to the left, there was just a little teaching moment here. Notice when we broke this wick here, right? We continue getting a lot of momentum to continue pushing down, right? Because this is a rejection area. Now, the idea is that your stops is here, your stops are above here, right? Entry here or break of this low, right? Now, from the perspective of targets, your target should be down here, right? This is it. Like anywhere in this area here, this is your target, right? Now, this area here is basically like, this is basically a 1 hour trade based on your stop loss, right? The thing about it is that the reason why I don't trade this as often is because when it comes to consistency, it's not really there. So from the perspective of like, okay, if we risk 500, let's say we risk 500 on this trade, you just make 500. But if you're doing the breakout and you have a specific, like a fixed stop loss, right? So fixed stop loss here would be like, let's say 25, right? And you're aiming for that. This is almost like, this is a 3.5 hour. So that's the difference in the strategy and the approach to the strategy, right? So sometimes you may, if you lose this, right? So let's say you lose 500 here and you win the next trade based on this strategy here, our entry model, I should say. Then it would be you win, so you lose one, win one, you break even for the day. If you're using the fixed stop loss strategy, you're more or less, if you lose one, you win this one here, you could catch like 3.5 hour, right? Because again, all this is clean range. 2 hour is right here, right? Although this came back up, you would have been stopped out, right? But 2 hour is right here. So in this instance here, entry would have been on the break of that wick to the left, right? And you have a 25 30 pip stop, and yeah, go for 50 points and you get 1 to 2, so yeah. Yeah, so that's how I break it down. Yeah. So anyways, nice little teachable moment here. Hope you guys understood that shit. Yeah, until next time tomorrow. Tomorrow. I think we'll be streaming Friday. I think we have a holiday here Friday. We will still be streaming on Friday because New York, um America don't close. What strategy do I use? I just actually, bro, I just broke down the strategy there. Literally just broke it down.
Just
Um,
rewatch the lives.
yeah, rewatch the live, rewatch the live. You can also go on YouTube. The VOD is gonna be up on YouTube. TikTok, I don't keep the VOD on TikTok. I don't post it on TikTok. Um, I don't know if I should though. I don't know if I should. Not sure if I should post the whole thing on TikTok. But yeah, I'm thinking about streaming on Facebook. I have so much people on freaking Facebook. But Facebook is weird. Facebook is weird. I'll figure it out. But anyways, yeah, strategies basically support and resistance, right? So this year, let me just go through this like really briefly, right? So we have structure here, structure here, structure here, right? Based on the 5 minute, right? These are the last year structures. So we have the important thing here. We had consolidation here, right? Market going sideways. We go up, pull back, up, pull back, up, pull back. So once we break this zone here, this is a support. Once we break this support here, we can anticipate price to continue down, right? And that is why price continue down. The only thing is that we wait for, based on the 15 minute, we have a level here, and we wait for that closure. We waited for that closure here on the 15, beneath the 15 candle body, right? Candle close, wick up. It did a perfect wick up back into this support, previous support zone, right? And then dropped. That's just what it is, and that's what we wait for sometimes. That's why the stream go late sometimes, because we're waiting for that 15 close to possibly get an entry, or maybe even a 5 minute close, right? But in this case, YM didn't make the move yet, NQ already did. So you could anticipate YM to continue in that direction, just like NQ. You see, NQ is still falling here though. So let's look at this, right? From the 30-minute perspective here on NQ, from the 30-minute here on NQ, if NQ, we got 5 minutes left. If NQ closes beneath here, you can anticipate a wick up and a continued push to the downside, right? That's what you could anticipate. And this will be an hourly close as well too. So it's already closing underneath this zone. Even this is also a 15, right? So again, once it closes under here, you could anticipate move to the downside. 5 minutes don't really have anything at this point, but this was a crazy drop, bro. Man, you didn't take that shit unfunded, bro. 150 points, man. That's like
No.
that's like 3K.
Unfunded, I took a trade, hit my TP. That's all.
Okay.
I'm trying to hit base hits, man. I'm not trying to go
Yeah.
for a home run. Man, I
Yeah.
expect home runs every day.
Yep. 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 I
Trying
think,
to rewire my mind to be like base hits, base
and
hits.
I think that's what it.
5 minutes,
Yeah. I
7 minutes.
think that is the same thing I need to do as well. Like, let's focus on those base hits.
Yeah,
Just get catch something for the day, and then just lock it
yeah.
off.
Because one day I'm like, oh, 1500. Another day I lose 1500. I'm like, bruh,
Yeah, that's
come
too
on,
much. Yeah, 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 yeah,
I
yeah.
can't.
Opening up yourself to too much risk,
Exactly.
basically. Yeah,
Oh
yeah,
wow.
yeah.
Well, what did you say? Oh, Trump said something about the Iran shit. That's why
Oh,
it's stopping.
yeah, he said this morning. Oh, he did. Oh, hold on, let's watch his shit. Oh, he. No, that was since 2 hours ago. No, that was two
Yeah, I
hours
think
ago.
that's it.
Nah, it can't be that shit. Hold on, wait. FO, not FOMC. Paul speaks. Paul speaks in 30 minutes. So market
Yeah,
could
I'm
just
not
be,
staying that long.
yeah, market could just be arranging, factoring this stuff here. Yeah, market's probably just factoring those stuff. Today was not bad actually. Made back my loss here, and that's good. Anyways, I'm gonna lock this shit out. Lock this shit out, man. Lock, 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 lock. Lock this shit out, man. Up 500 today, that's good. We're locking out every shit. Let's lock it up.
Right, I'm out of here. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.
Yep. See ya, bro. Take it
Have a good
Alright,
one.
easy,
bro.
man.
See you
You
later,
too.
mate.
Yep, yep. Just gonna wait for this candle to close here. Wait for this candle to close. Let's see what's up. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, one of those days, man. Been a little rough, but it is what it is, huh?
Yeah, it's fine. I mean, I'm not like I had a loss and then pretty much I made it back on
Yeah.
my funded, and then
Yep, yep.
um on my 150K, I'm up like 3 bands right now.
Okay, 2 hour. Nice.
Yeah, but that's eval, so
Yeah.
I need like about 6 more thousand.
Yeah.
Dude, that sounds so much, dude. Oh
Yeah,
man.
it's not like a lot, but if you look at it from percentage perspective, it's good. Up 2%, man, that's good. You need like what? 4% again?
Yeah, so I
Mm,
risked like 1500 and
yeah.
made whatever 2R or
Oh,
whatever
so you raise the
did.
percent. Oh, okay. Okay, okay.
Yeah, but now I have 3K. That's what 1500. That's what 3 minis. Minis
Yeah. Yeah. 3 minutes on NQ. Yeah.
on NQ, yes,
Yeah.
and 9 on YM or
Mm,
12.
mm. There we
9.
go. There we go. So there's a closure here, right? So this closure here, guys, could give you like a really nice move, you know? Oh, even NQ had a nice close as well. Not NQ, but YM, sorry. So if you look at YM here, look at YM, guys, right? So this is what I'm saying. We have look at this closure here on YM, right? So same thing that just happened there, right? Same thing that happened up here. We close out, we close beneath the range, right? And we could potentially flip here and continue down, right? So that's all I wanted to show you guys. It's the same shit, right? Volume is there. You just gotta wait for it. Wait for the flip, and you could potentially catch like 1 hour or even just like 30 points. You know, it doesn't have to be a whole like but understand your risk, right? So I'm gonna take my leave here, guys. See y'all tomorrow. Yeah, hopefully we could gain some more stuff here. We gotta lock the fuck in. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.
Do 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 do